All right, let's talk about something that a lot of us, well, we kind of dread it, right? The cold shower. But what if that blast of icy water is actually way more than just a shocking way to wake up? We're going to dig into the incredible science behind this habit and the powerful healing current it can literally unlock in your body.
You know exactly what I'm talking about, don't you? That full-body cringe. The immediate instinct to just crank that handle all the way to hot. It's totally universal. I mean, we're basically programmed to want warmth and comfort, not a bracing shock to the system.
But hang on, what if we look at that initial shock a little differently? What if, instead of something to run away from, it's actually the starting gun for this amazing cascade of benefits inside your body? That jolt is a really powerful signal. It's a wake-up call to help you perform at your best.
And that brings us to the first big idea, the cold shock response. See, this isn't just about feeling a little more awake. Oh no, it's a huge physiological event that really kicks off everything else we're about to talk about. The very second that cold water hits your skin, your nervous system is put on high alert. It's like a system-wide alarm that screams, "Whoa, something is happening here." And this isn't some gentle nudge. It's a powerful trigger that sets this whole remarkable chain reaction in motion. So, what happens right after that alarm bell goes off? Well, your body basically starts a full internal system reboot. So let's break down the incredible sequence of events that's happening just under the surface. And what's so cool here is how each step just flows right into the next. It starts with that shock we just talked about. That immediately causes your blood vessels to constrict. They tighten up. That then leads to the pump, where your muscles contract. And finally, your body goes on the defend, activating its internal protectors. It's just this beautiful, efficient cascade. So let's zoom in on that constriction step. When your blood vessels get tighter, it forces your blood to rush inward to your vital organs, to keep them warm. This internal rush makes your whole circulatory system work more efficiently. And here's the really crucial part. This improved blood flow can help reduce inflammation. It's why cold therapy is so often used for injuries, to bring down swelling and ease pain. And that leads us right to the third step, the pump. As your muscles contract from the cold, they're actually squeezing your lymphatic system. Now, your lymphatic system doesn't have a heart to pump it. It really relies on muscle movement to clear out junk, like bacteria and waste from your cells. So, a cold shower is basically jump-starting this whole internal cleansing process, flushing out all the toxins.
So, how does this internal reboot actually feel? Well, all these amazing processes lead to tangible benefits, from your mood all the way to your metabolism. This is where the science translates into your actual day-to-day experience.
You ever wonder why you feel so amazing after the cold part is over? The answer is dopamine. That initial shock sends this huge electrical impulse from all your nerve endings right up to your brain, and that triggers the release of this feel-good chemical. Some studies have even shown this can be a great complement to other treatments for depression, giving you a really powerful natural mood lift. Okay, now let's talk about metabolism. It's pretty important to know that your body has two main kinds of fat. You've got white fat, that's the stuff that stores energy and, can build up. And then you have brown fat, which is the good stuff. It's metabolically active, and its whole job is to generate heat by burning energy.
So here's where it gets really cool. When you get hit with that cold water, your body has to work harder to stay warm. And how does it do that? It fires up your brown fat furnace. This amazing brown fat starts burning calories like crazy to generate heat, and in doing so, it can help get rid of the white fat you don't really want.
The benefits aren't just all internal. That same powerful process that's rebooting your system on the inside also leads to some pretty incredible results on the outside. Let's talk about that skin and hair glow. Remember how we said cold water makes your blood vessels constrict? Well, that process also tightens up your skin and your pores. And by improving that circulation we talked about, you're getting more blood and nutrients to the surface of your skin. And the result? You get this vibrant, really healthy-looking glow. And hey, it's not just for your skin. Your hair gets in on the action too. While really hot water can strip away the natural oils and leave your hair feeling kind of dry, cold water does the exact opposite. It flattens and strengthens your hair cuticles, which locks in moisture and makes your hair look shinier and way healthier.
So, when you put this all together, what have we really learned? A cold shower, it's not just about getting clean. It is a simple, incredibly powerful tool you can use every single day. Seriously, think of it as your daily reset button.
So what's the payoff for maybe 30 to 90 seconds of being uncomfortable? Let's just recap. You boost your circulation, you get a natural mood lift, you activate your metabolism, and you improve your skin and hair. I mean, that is a pretty incredible return on investment. So in the end, it's really not just one thing. It's the combination of the shock, the cold, and your body's amazing response to it all. Together, they truly become, as our source material says, a powerful wake-up call to perform at your best as you step out, dry off, and just take on your day.
So the next time you're standing there in front of that shower handle, the question isn't just about whether you can stand the cold. It's about everything you stand to gain. So are you ready to turn that dial and unlock your body's own healing current?